Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to cover a quick and easy topic on how to make Cash App auto accept payment. But before we dive into all of it, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so you might want to go to your Cash App on mobile device, open it. So once you are there, right? Once you are in the Cash App, all right? Just hover to your account settings, all right? Your account settings here. Then it will ask for you to verify your identity and whatnot, and go to security and privacy. When you hover to your security and privacy, you should see an option to Cash App auto accept. It's below unlock the app and move money. That's just below, right? Below security lock, unlock the app, change cash pin, move money. You should see the option to auto accept cash. So what you can do is, if you don't see that option, you might want to go to support right here. Okay, support. Click on support, and you can go here in the website support and ask for the information and search it, or you can simply go to the chat service. Right? Go here, contact support. There you go. Tap the profile icon in Cash App, select support, and then select start and send a message. And then inform them that you don't have the Cash App auto accept button on your mobile device, and they will ask for your identity, and they will provide you instructions on how to do it. And then once you've done that, you've successfully add Cash App auto accept. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.